Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to translate web page on iPhone Chrome. If you have ever landed on a website in another language while browsing on Chrome, don't worry, then Chrome translation feature on iPhone has got you covered. It is fast and automatic. Chrome detects the language and instantly offers to translate it. No copying and pasting into another app needed. And it is also seamless. The page looks the same, just in your language, so you can keep scrolling without interruptions. It also supports dozens of languages, making it perfect for travel, research, or even online shopping for international sites. And the best part, it works right within Google Chrome, so you don't have to install any extra apps or tools. So to get started, all you have to do is open any website that is simply not in your language. For example, I have opened a French website and the language is French, so I'm not able to understand what's written on this page. So what I will do, I will click on the three-dotted button on the bottom right corner. This menu will appear. What you have to do is swipe down just a little bit and you will see the translate option. All you have to do is click on translate and instantly your page will be converted into your own language. Also, if you want to change your language from English, for example, if you want it to be translated from French to Hindi, you can also change it from the gear icon on the top of the page. You can click the gear icon and select any language and your page will be translated into that specific language that you have selected. Or you can also click on Show Original to revert your page back to the original language. And that's basically how you can translate web pages on iPhone Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.